Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
It would seem also to both the prosecution and the defense that there would be, I think, a sense of fairness to do it per article. Because I think it's clear to everyone. I think the defense knows this, which is why they disagreed to change it. Is if you're hearing the defense, that's roughly 3 to 4 months. At the end of the day, tao lang tayong lahat eh. 'Di ba? Tao lang ang senator judges, tao lang naman ang kahit ang taong bayan. It can influence the way people judge. It can soften things. Do you agree?
I agree with you. I agree.
Right? Okay.
And I really hope that the impeachment court will take the initiative to address this concern.
Okay, so that's one. Number two, the question of Senator Judge Pia Cayetano's spliced video. So that went viral. That alleged video wherein Representative Chel Diokno was taken out of context. Walang ganito kasi nung panahon ni Erap at ni Corona. Walang ganun. Lahat nagsasalita lang sa radyo, sa dyaryo, sa telebisyon. Ito kasi, social media has changed the way information or disinformation is given out. What do you plan to do about this?
That is why, Karen, mainstream media is very important in this impeachment trial, no? Of course, we would like to hear from the comment of Senator Pia about the circulating allegedly spliced video, no? Hindi ko alam kung i-deny ba niya yan or i-acknowledge ba niya na page talaga niya yan. Same is true with respect to Senator Judge Robin Padilla. May nakikita rin ako na mga repost, I believe, nung kay former Congressman Kiko Barsaga naman, no? But I hope that we all understand the duty to be impartial, no, for the senator judges. I hope we all understand the sub judice rule na bawal mag-comment on the merits. If it applies to us, the parties, and even the witnesses, the more that it applies to the senator judges because of the duty of impartiality, no? Pero I wish to give them the benefit of the doubt. Hindi pa natin naririnig yung position nila. I didn't see any comment. Ikaw ba may nakita ka na, Karen, coming from the senator judges about the alleged splice video and the reposting of Kong Kiko Barsaga's video? Wala pa akong nakita. I really wish to hear kung anong kanilang position about this. And importante yun, Karen, kung anong position nila before the prosecution come up with its statement or possible action concerning this matter. Because we wouldn't know, baka naman hindi nila page to o baka ibang tao naman ang gumagawa nito. So I want to give them the benefit of the doubt, but certainly no, hindi dapat nangyayari ito because this is a very important process na dapat merong tamang understanding ang ating mga kababayan. And how do we give them a better understanding of this impeachment trial? Dapat walang splice video. Dapat yung totoong video lang ang lumalabas. This applies to all, without particular reference to these issues which are circulating now in the social media. It applies to all. Sa amin, most especially sa prosecution, sa defense, sa senator judge, sa parties, dapat honest kami, committed kami sa aming obligation to communicate, cause the necessary and accurate communication of what is happening in the impeachment trial to the Filipino people. Sapagkat itong prosesong ito ay para sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Karen, no? At ito, naalala ko, tinanong kami before, what do you think will be your challenges in the impeachment trial? I remember SDML Noy Defensor said na fake news ang magiging challenge namin.
Totoo.
Because we are we are under the SOCMED era now, no? That sometimes or there are times mas gusto ng mga taong nanonood ng SOCMED rather than mainstream, no?
Oo.
And perhaps
At hindi
it
lang
is-
yun. Representative, I don't mean to cut you, but the attention span of the
Yeah.
public has also changed. So yung
Yeah, that's correct.
yung panunood ng mga reels, yung mga maliliit na video sa TikTok, the short ones. I mean, nung panahon natin, well, you're younger than I am, but nung panahon ko, in the 2 impeachment trials, walang ganon. Walang ganon.
Yeah.
People would have to read it, they'd have to watch the whole thing, they'd have to watch the news. So that's another thing. Are you allowed? Are there rules regarding communications? For example, kasi in a real court, may sub judice rule. Eh hindi naman to completely legalistic. Are you allowed, for example, to come up with an information campaign? Does the impeachment court allow that?
Well, it is not provided under the rules, but what I understand, so long as what you are saying is consistent to what is happening in the impeachment court, no? And you are not commenting on the merits, there should be no problem with that, no? And that is why we have our own spokespersons in the person of Congressman C. Adjong, andyan siya.
Oo.
Congresswoman Reneco,
Yeah.
Congressman Ace Barbers, no? And I understand also some of my colleagues in the prosecution
Okay.
panel do their interviews, no?
Yeah.
Ang purpose namin talaga, Karen, is to be able to relay the accurate information to the public. That's all. And that's why there are efforts also. DS Janet Garin is sometimes speaking in Visayan language, no? Same is true with Congressman Ace Barbers kasi ang purpose talaga namin to be able to reach out to the grassroots, the viewing public. Ito po ang nangyayari sa ating impeachment trial. They are translating the information into as many dialects as possible. Pero hindi kasama dito yung gagamit tayo ng mga splice na video, no? It
Okay.
should be consistent to what is really happening.
Representative, is this something that you plan to raise before the impeachment court?
Well, as I have said, Karen, no, it's important to know first the position of the
Okay.
concerned senator judges about what is circulating on these alleged splice
Oo.
videos. No?
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.